Every once in a while, you'll run across a switch that is switched with 4 wires. And it's a push button. So, there's power on the top one. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. And nothing over there. Now, okay. These lights aren't exactly 100%. Alright, now we turn the power on. We can see we have power there. Power here, so we have power going through here. And these two are white wires. But as you can see, an indicator indicates that we have power there, but we do not. But you can see the difference. When you have that green come on, there's not power enough there to run an appliance or a light. When you get a steady on, that's power. That is not. So we know we have power on top. So between this side and our power side, we have 120 volts. Between here and here, we have 120 volts. Between here and here should be 0. And it's just about that. Okay, so the top and bottom, this is where your voltage is traveling through. This is your white wire. That's where there's no volt, there's your neutral voltage coming through there. So that's where what we need to do is disconnect this switch, take it out, connect these 2 wires together, that's our white wire, and these 2 will be put on a normal, just a normal switch. Because that's what they did. They're switching the black and the white wires. So you gotta make sure you keep them all straight away. Okay, the power is off. And I've taken the screws out of these. Now to get this out, I'm going to bend the wires up in the box, or no. How they ever did this, I'll never know. Okay, now it's sliding right out. But there's not enough wire in there to actually pull your switch out. There's only enough to have this, slide this in, and then bend them around. So, all wiring is my way to do it. Now I was able to wiggle just enough wire down to meet the bottom wire and connect our 2 lights together. And I'll hook our switch in to these 2 hot wires. Now we kind of got lucky in that I was able to use the existing wiring. If the wiring was too short, one thing you could do is pigtail onto your own wiring with a small piece of wire and a wire nut to make it a little bit longer. But here that wasn't necessary. And if all your wires do not fit in that box, you can always chop it out and put a new one in, a bigger one. Okay, switch is in. We'll screw this all back together. I'll turn the power on and we'll see how we did. See if we got it right, or we're gonna make smoke. Okay, from this to that. Okay, here we have it. We did it. We changed out that switch, and it was a little bit different than your average switch.